everybody, and welcome to the first ever video on my channel. I don't know the name of my channel yet, but we'll get that way. I've been watching knife videos on YouTube since 2015. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Benchmade Bug Out Access Lock Knife Black CF Elite 535BK-2. I bought this knife on a Facebook page for $120 with the box and everything included. The knife is overall length of 7.46 inches, blade length of 3.2 inches, cutting edge of 3 inches, blade width of 1 inch, blade thickness of 0.09 inch, and blade materials CPM S30V with a hardness of 58 to 60. The blade style is a drop point. Blade grind is flat. Its handle is 4.22 inches with a handle width of 1 inch and a handle thickness of 0.42 inches. The handle material is carbon fiber elite. Frame liner is stainless steel, which we can't really see. We can turn my torch on. Hold on. Maybe we can see. If we can see or not, I don't know. And its weight is 1.8 ounces. I don't have a scale yet because I'm just starting out. It's a right hand or left hand tip up manual knife with an access lock and made in the USA. You open it with the access lock and you close it with the access lock, or you thumb stud it, and you do that. Hold on, it's kind of a, take one take shot here, I guess. You messed up on that, but let's see now. Almost, I gotta try it. Maybe I can do better next time. But yeah. Here is the pouch that it comes with. Really, really nice packaging on the pouch. It says Benchmade. And the box says 535BK-2 Bug Out Blue Class. I don't know if this is the actual date it came out, but it says 4/10/20. Benchmade. The back's really cool. Life Sharp, service and warranty. Might try it out in the future. Comes with the Benchmade Use and Care Manual with the founder and CEO and the Genuine Access Lock Mechanics piece of paper that says, notice the carry clip has been installed on the right side or non-Benchmade logo side of the blade of this knife for right side pocket carry. I want to show you what's inside of it. Birch IV Frankie does not like the foam, but it's cool. It's so cool. And you also know that this knife is good for in-home, outdoor. I've been using it since I got it, maybe a week or two ago, and it's really good. I walk in town or use it at home in the kitchen and family room for cutting up plastics and stuff and such. It's really good. It's a good slicer. We can do a paper test. Please do not go wild like I was doing earlier in the video. That could cause some serious injuries. But we're going to do the paper test. It's like cardboard type material. You can do that, and you can go like this, and it cuts. Overall, I give the Bug Out CF Elite a 5 out of 5. If you cannot find the Bug Out CF Elite, which is the Benchmade Bug Out 535BK-2, then there are so many other great Benchmade Bug Out versions. There's also a gold class, which is over $400 if you're into that style of Benchmade and that prices. But again, this is the Benchmade CF Elite knife. You can open it like this, close it like this. Hold on. Why is it now still? Hold on. Okay, like this, or like this, or you can do this. And if you have any questions or want to know about this knife, you can message me, or just like and share and subscribe to my channel. Like the video, share the video, and subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more videos. I got more to post later this month and later this year. My name is Alex, and I'm in Missouri, and my legal limit of blade length is 4 inches. But I really like this knife. I did the pivot screw thing so it would actually, like loosen it, and now it works good. So look at this. Hold on, I gotta do it right. Dang it.